Hello everybody, Moonbane here, and today we are going to talk balisongs. Basically the simple construction of one. Now, the balisong is commonly known as a butterfly knife, fan knife, gravity knife, or again just butterfly knife. But the real term for it is balisong. Origin Filipinos, I believe the batongas, thus leading to another name, the batanga knife, where the Philippines would often use these as their EDC tools and, well, tools of self-defense. Sorry about that, but as I was saying, also known as the batanga knife. It's tools of EDC, self-defense, yada yada yada. So anyway, let's just get down to the construction of one, or what it's made of. There are several different styles for it. They're surrounding both construction of the handles, how they're spaced, the weightings, the way they rotate, and here we're just going to get started with the Benchmade 239 or Pacific Cutlery Cord 239. Has a channel style construction for the handle. It's got pins for pivots. It's got the tang blade, simple T-latch, and it's got a single tang pin, resulting in trying to prevent the handles from touching each other when they're open in the back. With I'm not quite sure of this blade style, but I believe it is Weehawk. I'm not 100% sure, but as this is a channel construction style balisong, there are no real need for any spacers of any kind. And as you can see, if you look closely here, let's just bring you in. Hold on, let's let it focus. There are no real washers or bushing system. It's straight out pins, I believe. Yeah, no bushings, no washers, just these pins. So as you can see from that, this balisong cannot exactly be deconstructed or taken apart. It can't be tightened or loosened unless you use a vise to completely re-straighten this part of the handle right here to tighten it, which of course it can be dangerous. It can just have you can over tighten it, which it's just a real hassle. But well, I've yet to have one factory fresh, restored, or anything, which this will be done shortly, and that's this style. Now there are many trainers out there, from bottle fly knives, butterfly bottle openers, to trainers, to pens, to combs. Now with this, we have a sandwich style construction balisong, which means it uses two pieces of metal for each handle with a barrel spacer for each, with again a T-latch. Now for these pins or pivots, we've got screws with both tang pins, so the handles will neither touch when open or respectfully while they're closed, unlike the 239, which only has one. So the handles will obviously touch when they're closed. And as for the next one, the Microtech Tachyon 2, it's we've got a disc type T-latch, I believe. Now, I don't have any spring assisted or spring latches, as Benchmade is very famous for having, and there's no V latch like the Alpha Beast, but this is very nice. We've got for this sandwich style construction handles with block spacers with 3 screws in each, and the block acts as a latch gate to keep it from getting in the way of the blade, as you can see, which again with the 239 here, the only thing that can be referred to as latch gate is right here, the back of the outside of the bite handle. So you'll often be in danger of having the latch come in contact with the blade when having it flipping around, which is why I often have a hair tie around the latch to keep it from getting in the way. And that's about it for that. Once more, this has screws for the pins, double tang pins. Now, I don't have anything with a Zen pin, which is it has no outside tang pin, but instead it would have a little barrel right here often, and more tang sticking out, so the barrel or the pin would come in contact with here once more, keeping it from coming in contact with each other, and well, that's about it. And with this, there's of course the black Tonto. I'm not sure the finishing on this. This is just a plain. Not sure about this. And obviously this is a comb, so it doesn't really have a finish at all. But yeah, for general typical construction, that's about it. As well as, if you're curious, these take Torx screws. Although for the Tachyon 2, if you see the little pins right there, that just means you need a security Torx screw. Now, that's about it, and I'll see you in the next video.